Welcome to MX Hair, where confidence begins with craftsmanship. Today, we're giving you an up-close, honest review of our 100% human hair wig, a masterpiece of natural beauty, strength, and premium quality. Whether you're looking for a full hairpiece, a toupee, or a custom wig, you're about to see why MX Hair is trusted by clients worldwide. Right here in my hands is one of our premium human hair wigs. Take a close look at the shine, texture, and how it mimics natural hair flawlessly. Every strand is made from 100% real human hair, soft to the touch, full of life, and perfectly styled. Notice how it blends effortlessly, with no artificial gloss, no stiffness, just natural flow and bounce. This is the kind of quality that elevates your entire look, whether it's for daily wear, special occasions, or hair replacement needs. What truly sets MX Hair apart is our exceptional base knotting and handcrafting techniques. Each knot is meticulously tied by expert artisans to ensure durability, comfort, and a seamless hairline. You'll feel the difference. Our lace bases are breathable, kid-friendly, and nearly invisible when worn. Whether you choose French lace, Swiss lace, or skin base, we guarantee a fit so comfortable that you'll forget you're even wearing a wig. Let's talk about strength and durability. These wigs aren't just about looks, they're built to last. From the tightly secured knots to the premium stitching, our wigs can withstand regular styling, heat tools, and daily wear. With proper care, this human hair wig can last 6 to 12 months or more, maintaining its natural shine, texture, and strength. It's an investment in your appearance and your confidence. At MX Hair, cater to every need, every scale. Whether you're an individual looking for a single high-quality piece, or a salon or reseller with bulk orders, we've got you covered. We offer a wide variety of lengths, colors, densities, and fade materials, all customizable to your preferences. With that, with fast, reliable international shipping, secure packaging, and quality assurance at every step. With MX Hair, you're not just wearing a wig, you're wearing excellence.